it's Joe from StayFitAnywhere, and today I'm going to put together my version of a cream and mushroom chicken pasta dish. And the real reason why I want to do it is because we've got some chicken thighs I want to use up. I've got some cream in the fridge that I desperately would like to get rid of before it expires. And I've got some mushrooms that are just left over. So there's all these little pieces that we have in the fridge where I don't know what to do with, so I'm just going to combine it all into one dish, along with some frozen vegetables with I think broccoli and peas that we've got going on there too. So I'll show you exactly how I put it all together in a fairly short period of time, so no fast food tonight. Alright, so first off, what I like to do, if you've got frozen stuff like these, I just put them in a pan to defrost it all first. I don't even put any oil in. It's just a quick thaw. Pour these in, so just however much you want. You'll start to realize I don't measure anything a lot. Maybe I should, as my wife would say, because I just kind of make up things as I go a little bit, but it never turns out too bad. And if you know a little bit about flavors, you kind of know what goes with each other. So right now I'm just going to let that defrost down. And the next thing I'm going to put in there after that are mushrooms that I've already hacked up, I guess. My knife skills aren't the best, but it does the job. So that'll go in next. And then once that's done, I'm going to put in the chicken. I've already sliced up pieces of the chicken, and that's going to go in. And I'm going to take that all off and then do a quick sauce. So I've added some mushrooms, a little bit of oil, and I'm going to cook those down. All together, this should take about 3 minutes or so. And the chicken, roughly about 8-9 minutes if you slice it up thinly. And then the sauce, potentially like another 4 or 5 minutes, and you should have your whole dish done by then. And at the same time, you could be putting on water and having the pasta cook up, or water to the boil and having your pasta made. So here I've removed my pea and mushroom mixture, and we'll be putting in the chicken in next. I don't like to mix my chicken and the vegetables together like that, and there's different cooking times. But I kept all the pan juices in there. It just adds more flavor. So we'll see how that goes too. Okay, just about to put the chicken in. There we go. The chicken, you basically put any kind of marinade that you want. I'm going to use some, I think this garlic powder, since I didn't dice up any garlic. This is a quick, easy way just to marinate whatever spices you want. Some salt, a generous amount, and some pepper. So it's a light little seasoning for the chicken, just so it gets a little bit of extra flavor in there before you put on, before you make your sauce. So, and once this is all cooked, I will transfer this onto a plate and start making our sauce. Alright, so here's the penne pasta all done. I just had it cooking when I was cooking the peas, mushrooms, and chicken. So that's one thing. If you're busy, multitask. Put a few things on at the same time and just let it do its thing. A little bit of almond milk, a little bit of whipping cream. Like I said, just because I need to get rid of it. I'm going to try out some thyme and rosemary flavors in the sauce. But I've got a picky toddler, and if anyone has a toddler, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You put a little bit of extra something in there and instantly they'll probably say no. But we'll give it a shot and see what happens. I'm going to put it into a different pan so we get the sauce ready, and then everything's going to come together and boom, the dinner's all done. Voila, here's my chicken pasta with a cream sauce. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting more Busy Dad edition home cooked meals for you guys.